You have the Be Creative corner. Some monuments are given for you. You need to, what you can say, you need to identify these monuments, you need to write the place. Now here, this is Jama Masjid. This is called as Jama Masjid, and it was constructed during 17th century by the one who constructed Taj Mahal, Shah Jahan. Okay, so Jama Masjid is a big monument mosque, and this is Akshardham temple in New Delhi. Akshardham temple in New Delhi. This was like, it was constructed and inaugurated in 2005. It was inaugurated in 2005. It's just devotional places for a Hindu where they taught, they teach about the Vedas, the culture, tradition about the Hinduism. Okay, and this is Taj Mahal again. This was also constructed during the 17th century by Shah Jahan. And this is Red Fort. Red Fort is also constructed by Shah Jahan. This is the house, you can say this is a residence of all the Mughals. Okay, and this is India Gate. India Gate was constructed to give their, you can say the monument was constructed, India Gate was constructed during the World War period, World War I. Okay, and that was constructed for the memory of the British Indian Army. British Indian Army, the Indians who were doing job under the British, okay, and who were British at the East India Company. And East India Company, what was their actual, they need to expand their territories. So Indian people, the one who were doing the job under East India Company, okay, they were sent to the other countries to have a war, because the British has conquered us. And the people who were enrolled, the Indians who were enrolled in British East India Company, they used to go to the different places where the British used to conquer. And almost like 70,000 soldiers, they died, and they were all Indians. To give the respect to them, to honor them, the Indian Gate was constructed. Is it clear, children? Is it clear for all of you? Yeah, let's go for the next one. Write the sobriquets of the following. What do you mean by sobriquets? It's something, a nickname, okay, like Japan is called as a rising sun, right? Because the sun rises from there. Okay, so some nicknames which are called, given to a particular city or a particular place. Okay, now the agriculture country, India is agriculture country, right? Now here they given Shimla. Shimla is like, you have so many hill stations. Shimla is a hill station, right? And Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. It is called as queen of all the hills. Okay, so queen of hill stations. You have Kullu Manali. Okay, but Nainital is again in Uttarakhand. Okay, you have so many hill stations in Shimla, so it is called as queen of hill stations. So you got it. What do you mean by sobriquet? Sobriquet is a nickname given to a particular region or a place. Coming to Himachal Pradesh is called fruit ball of India. Okay, that is called Shimla apple. You have so many fruits there. Okay, so it's called as fruit ball of India. And wheat basket of the world is Argentina. Okay, where mostly wheat is produced. And what you can say, football of India is in northern plains, right? So like that, some names are given. So Himachal Pradesh is nothing but fruit ball of India. Is it clear for you now? Yeah, coming to this, write the importance of rock garden in the Chandigarh. This is, if you can see this picture, this is a rock garden. Okay, and rock garden is very famous in Chandigarh. And why it is so famous? There was one person called as Nick Chand Sani. Nick Chand Sani. You know, he was a government, he was working under government job. He was a government employee. This was constructed actually soon after 10 years of independence. When we got independence in 1947, right? So this construction actually was started in 1957 by Nick Chand Sani, and this rock garden he was constructing actually, he started designing very secretly, and he kept this for 18 years. He kept this secret for 18 years to all the public. Soon after his job, he used to go and he started doing constructing all this rock garden. Initially, he actually started as a childhood memories, you can say, some hobby. He had a hobby of designing. He's something, a dream project, a kingdom. He wants to construct the kingdom, how the Sikh have been assassinated and killed, and how the beautiful city was there during that time, the valleys, the greenery and everything. Okay, so that's how he actually dreamed how the city was there, how the kingdom was there during that period of time. So secretly he has kept that, but finally after 18 years it was open to the government, and he got a support of public. He got a support of public, and when the public supported him, and slowly the government of Chandigarh or the Punjab or Haryana, they started giving him the support of finance, and he started getting the salary to construct and to complete this, and he got the support of the labor also. That's how actually he started. It was like you can say as a habit or a dream of him to construct a beautiful kingdom like. Okay, and if you can see this rock garden, it is completely made by the waste of industrial waste and the garbage. Okay, and you can understand with the waste also he made a beautiful rock garden. Okay, now let me read for you. The rock garden of Chandigarh is a sculpture garden, Chandigarh, Punjab and Haryana, which is in India. It is also known as Nick Chand Rock Garden, dedicating to him. After his founder Nick Chand Sahni, a government official who started the garden secretly in his spare time in 1957. Okay, today it is spread over an area of 40 acres. Can you imagine? It was just started like a hobby and it is spread to 40 acres. It is completely built from the industrial, home waste and the discard item. Is it clear, children? How, you can't ignore, you really can't ignore that this is a habit or this hobby. Even with that, what he made something very unique, So whatever your habits you have, whatever the hobbies you have, don't just stop it. Okay, maybe that becomes your future, that becomes your career. You are very small to understand this, but you can understand this become a world famous right now, which is in Chandigarh. Okay, with this we conclude the assignment, children. Thank you.